station and we're gonna get our tickets. So we're gonna get this fabulous train ride. So we're getting ready to board.
Okay.
What's the best seat?
Whichever one you want.
Okay.
I was not going as I was.
All aboard! Here we go. Gotta see the engine. Here we go, the engine.
You want this one?
Yeah. Oh, that's great. So we're gonna try to sit in the back.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we're gonna sit in the back so we can get a nice view. It's almost too small.
I will.
So we're sitting in the back, and then we're just waiting for everybody. Give you an idea, it's really small, but you know, it's for little munchkins and stuff. So we're gonna take the ride, and it looks like a lot of fun, and hopefully he'll shoot his horn a lot. Now he's shooting, so we're gonna get going here. Bye, ladies. Bye. Here's all the guys that board you. Bye. Bye. This is great. Got a tight turn here. It's a lot of fun. So $2 folks, so come on down.